I decided to tackle a harder project because I wanted something over my head. So far, so good. I'd been training end-to-end models. It's like a more expensive version of linear regression, specifically moving in straight lines and regretting it. So I threw that out and made a new model. This one's just completely focused on socks. You give it an image, and it gives you a heat map of the socks. Then I grab the location of the closest sock and send the gripper straight towards it, using the existing IK that I already had. No need for the network to predict motion vectors. But that only gets me so close. Now I have to home in on the target. So I take a picture from the gripper, spin it around in coordinate hell until I can't tell whether I'm drunk in a windowless room in a fishing trawler, and then feed it to another network that tells me which direction to move the gantry to center the object in the frame. Then just slowly lower the gripper, lower, wait for it. Well, you can't get every sock. But now that it's working, let me show you what it can do on a couple of socks without any interference. This is at regular speed with the original audio. When it detects that there is any finger pressure on a sock, it heads straight for the laundry bin, which is indicated by that extra April tag over there. Drops the item off, and it heads for the closest item. When it gets there, it uses the network that is trained on the gripper's palm camera to try and home in on the sock. It'll go down there until it hits the floor, try to pick it up, and if it misses, it'll go up for another view. Here it missed again, but it's going to take another try or two until it gets that sock. There it goes. It felt that it got the sock by its pressure sensor in the finger. Drops it off and tries to find the next target. The speed that you're seeing here is limited basically by the size of the motors, but I do plan on upgrading that in the future. So far, this hybrid approach has gotten closer than anything else to useful behavior, so I'll keep iterating and testing it, hopefully soon in a new room with a greater variety of targets. I've also improved calibration by adding tags. It's now instantaneous. I discovered a weakness in the gantry, so I'll be upgrading this part to a welded ring. I've also started on cost-saving measures by designing a PCB to replace several parts in the gripper. This shaves $20 off the cost of parts. If you're interested in getting one of these, they're for sale on Etsy, or you can print and build your own. Check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.